So today I'm going to go ahead and make a universal bench block. I'm going to keep it pretty simple. I'm just going to skim the OD, turn the face, flip it, turn the face, make them nice and parallel, and then drill a couple holes in them. Let's get to it. Go ahead and keep it pretty slow as well, just because you can hear it. On the chatter. It's looking pretty good right now, so I'm just going to do one more light pass and then I'm going to call it. Alright, there we go. That's that. Video, turn. Yellow face. Looking good. I'm gonna get as far as I can before breaking through. So I probably got like an 1/8 inch, so. I'm gonna cook it a little bit, do super light Z cuts, and go a little faster on my axe. It's in the way. Sorry about that. And just the thunder rolls. If you're curious which what type of insert I'm using a diamond, and I'm going to get that going. So, alright, we're about to hit the cross slide on the face of that, so we actually will call it done here. What I want to do is go ahead and get it all trued up on the ID, all the way to that back wall. Let's go there now. Nice way straight push back to that back wall. Okay. Oh, it's a beautiful bore. It sounded like garbage, but you know what? It looks good. Alright, runs true enough. I'm not even going to worry about indicating it. Then I'm going to go ahead and face it. Face it and finish boring it. Go ahead and knock this down real quick. I am going to stay with facing, not turning, since I want to worry more about the face than the ID right now. I hate not being able to just go full bore with this thing. Alright, as soon as we break there, we're going to try and blend the IDs together. It may or may not work, we'll see. actually be through right now. Go and check, see if we got separation. Yep, we have separation. Very cool. All right, as you can see, we still got a wild open up on that ID before we're blended together. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that now. Although I will. I'm touching jaw 1. I'm touching right there, so I don't want to go any further. Gonna go ahead and set up a 0 stop here. I mean, I hate to say I'm good, but we'll come in for a better shot of that. But that is a damn good blend if I do say so myself. Yeah, I don't think I have enough stroke. Okay, so go and pop the part out right quick. Yeah, I'll come in to look at it. So honestly, that looks real good. I can feel, I mean, the slightest of step in there with my fingernails, but so that's the one downside about these mini lathe tool posts, is they don't actually have 4 sides. Because if they did, there'd be no need to switch it. As I like to say, you gotta piss with the cock you got, so until I get a bigger lathe than that. And now I square this, because I run my compound at an angle. All I'm doing is just gonna run this against the face. I'll just go square. I'm square to the jaws, I know I'm true. Or I know I'm at I know I'm square to the jaws now, because I'll ram just right up against it. I'll go and lock it all down. Back in, put a part back on. Go and choke on up on it nicely. Square it, make sure we're on the flats. Slow down the RPM just a scotch. Alright, there it is. There's that gorgeous mirror-ish finish we're looking for. I'm gonna take my handy-dandy butter knife and just break that edge. Just break all the edges. There we go. Alright. We're there. That's all we can do. It's not quite what I wanted, but you gotta piss with the cock you got, so that's where we're at. Alright, now since this is just my kind of test block, bench block, I'm kind of leaving it pretty open. I'm not going to drill every single hole the way it's supposed to be. I'm just kind of ballparking the common sizes, and then it's going to be a work in progress, obviously. If something comes up, I'll go ahead and drill it and mill it as necessary. Come on, right through. Finish. Ooh, that's a clean hole. To the best hole so far. Okay. Let's go inside and take a look. So it's all done. It's very much a work in progress. It's my work in progress block. I'd like to get these V-grooves, these 90 degrees deeper. I mean, it is what it is. I kind of stroked out on range. So if I get a different mill, then I can go in there and actually slot it down.
I may need to make some T-bolts or buy some T-bolts, and so I can actually clamp this down and add some slide slots to the backside. That's really the only thing I'm looking at right now. It's not exactly what I want, but you know, it'll still hold the slide. I know this Delrin it'll last. It'll take a pounding. It'll take a beating on. So I mean, I'm not super concerned about it. And since it's plastic, it'll definitely deform. It'll not mar whatever I'm working on. So I'll be continuing to work on this for quite some time. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.